about you, Dylan?
I feel like if we all give it a 10, they might think we're lying. No, I'm going to give it a 10. This is actually
It's
honest.
honest.
No, yeah,
It's
it's
an
honestly
hon-
good.
it's an
It's honestly good.
It's honestly good.
All right, so it looks like we're into our second dish, the smothered pork chops. We got the collard greens mac. How do y'all guys think of the presentation so far?
It's beautiful, honestly. The pork is covered nicely. He said it was well seasoned, so I'm really excited to get
Yeah,
into that.
I'm interested in how the seasoning tastes.
What you
Okay,
said.
yeah,
Yeah, dig
I
in?
agree.
I agree.
All right.
Because I ain't too much of the talking.
Right, you rather taste. We'll find out.
I get really scared of rice though because sometimes like rice can be undercooked.
Yeah, that's true.